Hey everybody, Hans Hernke here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be trying some delicious beignets from the Beignet Truck. We have a cinnamon beignet and we have a powdered sugar beignet with strawberry dipping sauce, complemented by a nice hot chocolate with some whipped cream on top. You see that? There we go. Wow, that's really rich. Oh man, it's got a little kick to it. It's got a little spice in it. All right, so let's try the first beignet, cinnamon, with this strawberry dipping sauce. These are definitely very, very doughy. The cinnamon definitely stands out. And the strawberry dipping sauce definitely complements the beignet. That was really good. Take another sip of hot chocolate. Alright, let's try this guy. Don't mind all the noise. They're breaking down tables and chairs right now. Alright, powdered sugar with strawberry dipping sauce. Here we go. That one's good too. It definitely has a very doughy texture to it. And you can taste the strawberry a lot more with this one as opposed to the cinnamon one. That's good. And then you wash that down with some more hot chocolate. If you're looking for a good catering truck that does beignets, look at the catering. I can't talk. Look at the catering truck, the Beignet Truck. I'll post the link down below in the description. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit the notification button for more food reviews, more interviews, and things like that. More content coming up. Thank you so much. See you on the next one.